Okay,
My dear
okay. Next, eighth one. Eighth one, Kohinoor. Kohinoor. Navneet. Navneet. Niharika.
Yes, ma'am. World's
Read the list.
impressive. Ma'am, eighth one. It was the
Yes,
first
beta.
talkie film made in English by Himanshu Rai in 1933. It was shot in England. Ma'am, the answer is Karma.
Answer is Karma. And beta, this
Yes,
one
ma'am.
question, who is known as the father of Indian cinema?
Ma'am, Dhundiraj Govind Palke, also called Dada Saheb Palke.
Very good. Spelling लिखो बेटा. DHUN. Everyone will write, please. Who is the known as the father of Indian cinema? Now I will write it on the whiteboard. लिखो बेटा आंसर. The question is, write down the. लिखो बेटा. First write down the question. Who is the who is known as the father of cinema? आंसर लिखो.
Dhundiraj Govind.
DHUNDI. Dhundiraj Govind. PHALKE, Palke, and popularly known as Darshak
Dada Saheb.
Palke. Yes, Dada Saheb Palke was an Indian producer, director, screenwriter, known as the father of Indian cinema. Dada Saheb Palke, and it is popularly known as Dada Saheb Palke. इनको हम ये भी बोलते हैं दादा साहिब.
Yes,
ठीक है बेटा. The next one, written.
Yes, ma'am.
yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, okay.
Next, Kanna Sharma.
Okay, beta, wait.
Okay, ma'am. World impressive stadiums. Identify and name the stadiums with the help of given clues. It is a football stadium. Then it is with a 1 meter high rack. Ma'am,
Yes,
the answer is
yes. Answer is
Wembley.
Wembley. WEMBLEY. WEMBLEY. Next turn, Sabgun. Sabgun.
It is the biggest. It is the biggest stadium in Europe and is situated in Barcelona.
Yes.
Ma'am, the answer is Camp Nou.
Camp Nou. CAMPNOU. Good. Next.
Thank you,
Samanya.
ma'am.
Samanya. Samanya. Yes.
Ma'am, it is situated in Arlington, Texas, USA, and is home to the NFL. Ma'am, the answer is 80.
80 and T. Good. Next. Shriya Thapa.
Yes,
Shriya,
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
read the next.
It is situated in no. It is one of the best cricket grounds in Australia. Its total capacity is over 95,000. Ma'am, answer is MCG.
MCG. Good. Next, Tuti.
Yes, ma'am. It is situated in Munich, Germany, and is a football stadium. It was opened in 2005 with a full color changing exterior. Answer is Aliens Arena.
Aliens Arena.
Arena. Thank you, ma'am.
Good. Yes. Next. Sunaina. Sunaina. Tanvi.
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ, read beta.
It is a cricket
Sunaina?
stadium in
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Sunaina, you will say first.
Okay, ma'am. It is a cricket stadium in Kolkata, and its total capacity is more than 9,000. The answer is
Yes.
A and T.
Answer is
A, T, and T.
बेटा sixth one answer is
पड़ी है ना
बेटा
1000 रुपए दिए हैं हाँ
mute yourself.
Ma'am, A part. A, T, and T.
बेटा ये आप कौन सा रीड कर रहे हो
Ma'am,
बेटा सिक्स
मैं तो
का ये
बैठ
आंसर
नहीं बैठ
Ma'am,
गया
the answer is Eden
पता
Gardens.
नहीं क्लास
Eden Gardens.
Eden. Answer is Eden Garden. Answer is Eden Garden. Okay. So next one. Tanvi Sharma, unmute yourself.
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ, come to the next one.
Indian sports. Identify these Indian sports. It is a famous snack boat race which is organized during the festival of Onam in Kerala. Ma'am, answer is Vellam Kali.
Vallam Kali. Good. Next. Vedika, unmute yourself. Vedika.
Yes, ma'am. It is the
Better
form
read.
of martial art. It is very popular in Indian state of Kerala. It is similar to karate. The answer is Kalari Paya 2.
कलारी पायथू ठीक है नेक्स्ट वन हर्षलिन योर टर्न ओवर सृजन कौर अग्रिमा शर्मा अर्शदीप
Yes, ma'am. It is a
पढ़ो
popular-
नेक्स्ट वन
It is a popular sport in rural India. It is similar to cricket and baseball. It is played with stick. Ma'am, answer is Gilli Danda.
आंसर इज गिल्ली डंडा गुड अरियाना अनम्यूट योरसेल्फ अरियाना
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ रीड बेटा
Ancient game. It is very popular in different parts of India. In this game, A gymnast performed tricks on a pole. Ma'am, the answer is Malakhamb.
Malakam. Good. Next. बेटा किसकी टर्न नहीं हुई है? जस्ट रेज अप योर हैंड. रेज अप योर हैंड. शुभांजलि. ओके बेटा. Unmute yourself.
It is an Indian.
बोलो बेटा. बोलो बेटा. अग्रिमा. Unmute yourself.
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ. बोलो
Ma'am,
बेटा.
it is an indigenous sport of Meghalaya. This sport has gained huge popularity nowadays. Our country participates in this sport at many important sports events, including the Olympics.
Yes.
And the answer is archery.
Answer is archery. Good. Japneet, unmute yourself.
Ma'am, it is an indigenous form of wrestling. It is very popular in Nicobar Island. Ma'am, its answer is cricket.
Answer is crip. Next. Anybody left? बेटा जिसकी टर्न नहीं आई है. सृजन कौर, आपकी टर्न आई है बेटा. सृजन. सृजन. बच्चे अनम्यूट करो. नवनीत, unmute yourself. नवनीत, बेटा अनम्यूट करो अपने आप को. नवनीत, unmute yourself.
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ बेटा रीड करो.
It is also known as canoe race. It is an indigenous game of the Andaman and Nicobar Islands. Ma'am, the answer
Island. बेटा island
Island.
बोलते हैं.
Ma'am, the answer is Asol app.
Asol app. ASOLAAP.
Yes.
Good. Next. Anybody बेटा left? Yes. जसिका, बेटा आपने नहीं बोला था. जसिका. जसिका. अनम्यूट करो. जसिका. Yes. Mrigakshi, unmute yourself. मृगाक्षी बेटा अपने आप को अनम्यूट करो.
Yes, ma'am.
बोलो बेटा.
Yes, ma'am.
Read last one.
It is an indigenous game of Missouri.
Mizoram.
It is also known as Mizoram. It is also known as road pushing sport. This game is played by two players. Each player holds the rod under his arm. Ma'am, answer is
हाँ जी बेटा बोलो. Answer is
Inskenaver.
okay. Insuk Navra. Good बेटा. Next. बेटा just find out people of which Indian state play the game Atyapatya. Vanshika Randhawa, बेटा अनम्यूट करो.
Yes, ma'am. The answer is Maharashtra.
Maharashtra. Write down Maharashtra. The answer is Maharashtra. Okay, beta? The answer is Maharashtra. Write down Maharashtra. Now, girls, can we wind up?
Yes, ma'am.
I will unmute everyone. Shall we wind up?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, beta. Have a nice day. Next time we
Thank
will
you,
do
ma'am.
Thank you, beta. Next time we will do next chapters.
Okay,
Ma'am, is
ma'am.
there any homework for next class?
Whatever we have done, just read and learn.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
ma'am.
Okay, beta.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, beta. Bye.
Have a nice